you today, Ronnie?
I'm fine, thank you. I feel happy and ready for the day. What time did you wake up, Anna?
I woke up at 6 o'clock. I like to start my day early. What do you do after you wake up, Ronnie?
I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I drink some water. What do you eat for breakfast, Anna?
I eat rice with eggs. Sometimes I drink milk too. Do you eat breakfast at home, Ronnie?
Yes, I do. I always eat with my family. What time do you go to work, Anna?
I go to work at 7:30. The bus takes about 20 minutes. Do you like your job, Ronnie?
Yes, I like it a lot. My coworkers are very friendly. What do you do at your job, Anna?
I work in an office. I write emails and answer phone calls. How long do you work each day, Ronnie?
I work for 8 hours. I finish around 5 o'clock. What do you do during lunch break, Anna?
I eat lunch with my friends. We like to talk and relax. Where do you eat lunch, Ronnie?
I eat in a small restaurant near my office. The food there is very good. Do you drink coffee or tea, Anna?
I drink tea in the morning. It makes me feel fresh. How do you go to work, Ronnie?
I go to work by motorbike. It is fast and easy. Do you like to travel to work, Anna?
Yes, I like it. I listen to music on the bus. What do you do after work, Ronnie?
I go home and take a shower. Then I rest for a while. What do you usually cook for dinner, Anna?
I cook rice, soup, and vegetables. Sometimes I fry fish, too. Do you like cooking?
Yes, I do. Cooking makes me feel happy. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried rice. It's simple and tasty. Who do you live with?
I live with my parents and my sister. We have a small but nice house. Do you live with your family, Anna?
No, I live with my brother. We share an apartment. Do you have any pets, Ronnie?
Yes, I have one cat. Her name is Bella. Do you like animals, Anna?
Yes, I love them. Dogs are my favorite animals. What do you do on weekends, Ronnie?
I like to watch movies and go out with friends. It helps me relax. What do you like to do on weekends, Anna?
I visit my family and clean my room. Sometimes I go shopping too. Do you go shopping often, Ronnie?
Yes, I go once a week. I buy food and clothes. Where do you like to shop?
I like shopping at the market. Things are cheap and fresh. Do you like to watch TV, Ronnie?
Yes, I do. I like watching the news and sports. What kind of programs do you watch, Anna?
I like cooking and travel shows. They are very interesting. Do you read books, Ronnie?
Yes, I like reading. My favorite books are about life stories. What kind of books do you read, Anna?
I read English storybooks. They help me learn new words. Do you like listening to music, Ronnie?
Yes, I listen to it every day. It makes me feel good. What kind of music do you like, Anna?
I like soft and calm music. It helps me relax after work. Do you exercise, Ronnie?
Yes, I go jogging every morning. It's good for my health. What kind of exercise do you like, Anna?
I like yoga. It makes my body strong and my mind calm. What time do you go to bed, Ronnie?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I like sleeping early. Do you sleep early, Anna?
Sometimes I sleep late. I like reading before bed. Do you like rainy days, Ronnie?
Yes, I like them when I stay home. The sound of rain is peaceful. Do you like sunny days?
Yes, I love sunny days. They make me feel cheerful. Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I use it for chatting and music. I also check my emails.